when you look at three-dimensional images on a two-dimensional canvas, it's really an optical illusion. And this optical illusion is a byproduct of different forms of shades, different forms of light. You might put shades on an object, and it might ground the object.
The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh. Well, Bill Murray discovered you. You was Frank.
Your real name is Bradley Henry Gerstenfeld.
What is sound? It has amplitude, it has frequency, it has velocity, it has acceleration, it has momentum.
In almost a choreographed march across your forehead.
Yes, doctor. Give me his name, doctor. Give me his name, doctor. But let's not get off track.
No.
It's okay. it's okay, because...
Yeah. All right, man.
Yeah, I like a little nut in my butter.
Let me ask you that. Was it easier having been...
You right up any social media you want to plug?
Why don't you go sit on a pile of beef and shove it up your ass? Why don't you...
David Attenborough.
But go to the game.
No,
Boy, killing it for you, boy. Killing it.